Good morning, good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome to another video of Shakima of home or another vlog. I don't know which one we're doing as yet, but anyway, we wake up this morning and we're going to make some chicken liver. So I get this pretty chicken liver yesterday by Costco. So this morning we're going to make some chicken liver. Look how beautiful they look, guys. Yes, that's how I love to see chicken liver. Yeah, so let's get started with cleaning it up. Let's put it up some. So when I clean in my chicken liver, I like to cut off all these little white things from underneath it, you know. And this, I just cut this in two. I like my chicken liver fine, juicy and nice. Yes, sir. And we're just going to clean it up. And yeah, I remember in Jamaica we eat a lot of this. We used to be killing the chicken because my grandmother used to have the chicken, the full cub, in the back of the yard, back of the house. And you know, when it's time for the chicken to kill, for you to sell it, what we used to do as children, meanwhile the wood fire going on, because remember you have to put the wood fire with the pot of water on it, so whenever time you kill the chicken, then you have to dip the chicken in that hot water to pick the feather from the chicken. And remember, we used to just take out the chicken when the time to pluck the chicken. We used to just take out the chicken liver from out of the chicken, and we used to just add a little bit of salt on it and just roast it inside that fire one time and eat it, and it used to be so delicious. Back home, if you go today, because today is Saturday, in the Maypen market, you must find a cook shop that is selling liver and green banana, or liver and fried dumpling, for breakfast this morning. Because we Jamaican, typical Jamaica, we like to eat chicken liver. We don't make nothing waste from that chicken. We eat the foot, the liver, the gizzard. The only thing I'm not eating is the head, but anything else I will eat. This liver is so beautiful. So I'm just going to continue to clean it up, cut it up, and then we come back. So guys, I like to wash my liver with some white vinegar. So I'm just going to pour a little on top of it. You can use lemon or lime if you have, but I don't have any this morning. So I'm washing it with some white vinegar to cut the rawness of the liver. You see what the vinegar do? It cut the color one time. You see how bright the color was looking, and then the color just look a little bit lighter now. That's when you wash. So if you go by somebody and they're making liver and they doesn't wash it with lemon and lime, basically you can tell. You can tell immediately by the color, by the different color. So when you wash it, the color change. So now guys, I finished to wash my liver, so now I'm going to season it up, and I'm using my favorite complete season. So I'm putting about a tablespoon of complete season inside it, and I'm also adding some black pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, in it, and you know you cannot make liver without browning. So the browning here, you know, some people in Jamaica, before, they don't normally use browning. They brown the brown sugar in the bottom of the pot, and then they add the meat to it. And you just mix it up like so, like that. Just mix it up. Make sure all the season incorporate inside the liver. And I'm going to set it aside and leave it for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I have some vegetable oil in this pot. I'm eating, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the liver towards it. And be careful guys, remember it's slashed. It's slashed a lot, and you don't want it to pop. And mess you up. So as you can see, I turn on the stove a little bit when I add in the liver to the pot. And then now I'm just going to leave it there so it can brown. You know, because we don't want no white liver around here. We want liver with color. So I'm going to leave it in the pot to do its thing. And I'm going to add my splatter guard on top of it because I don't want it to splash and mess up all the place with the oil. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to peel some green banana. Okay guys, so you know how to peel banana. You know you have to cut the banana like that. Then you have to carry it down like so. And then you have to peel it off like so. You know, once you're Jamaican, I think you should know how to peel banana. And you just peel it like so like that, and then you're going to see like a little bit of green on the side. What you do, just take your knife and you just bring it down like so. And remember, when you're peeling banana, if you're not adding it to the pot at the same time, you have to put it in some water because the banana will eventually get black, and you don't want your banana too black, right? So I'm just adding it here in a bowl, put it there, and I'm going to peel the rest of my green banana. Girl, you better can cook. You see how you peel banana, Kisara? Okay. Next time we cook in banana, Kisara will be peeling the banana herself. And what my grandmother used to do when she cooking green banana, she used to put a piece of the banana skin inside the pot with the water whenever time she's doing like dumpling and yam and banana, or she used to tip a little bit of oil inside of the pot. And the reason for that is because you don't want the flour to, you ever see when you go someplace and you buy provision and the dumpling don't white, the dumpling have like a little brownish color, darkish color? It's because they did not put the skin of the banana inside the pot, or they did not add oil inside it. So you can add oil or add a piece of the skin of the banana inside your pot. Sarah don't like green banana, so this is just me and Sean and Philip. I'm going to make some Johnny cake for Sarah. You want that, Kitty? Easy, like so, like that. Finished. Banana is finished. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it, throw off the water, and I'm going to bring it over on this side, and I'm just going to add it to my pot. And inside this water, I already have a little bit of salt inside it. Okay guys, so inside my liver, I'm going to add me some garlic, some scallion, some thyme, some red pepper, some green pepper. You know, season it up. I'm going to send Sarah outside to pick one pepper off the tree. And yeah, so I'm just slicing up the onion, and I like a lot of onion inside my liver, because when it cooked down to gravy, oh my god. And I'm just roughly chopping it. You can chop it anyhow you want it, because at the end of the day it's going inside a pot and it's going to cook down inside the liver. And I'm using, how much this? 4 eggs of garlic, and I'm roughly chopping it also. And if you don't have fresh garlic, you can use garlic powder. And I just buy the red pepper and the green pepper like this inside a supermarket, and I'm going to add that amount of red. Yes, easy like peasy. See, and that amount. And as you can see over here guys, my liver. Okay guys, so Sarah just took the pepper from outside, so I'm just washing it. I'm just going to slice it up with the seed and everything, because this is seasoned pepper, so it's not going to be too hot. Just like that, and I'm going to add it to my pot.
And look how beautiful and colorful it looks. Oh my gosh. So nice. I don't even feel like mom should mix it over anything. Just I guess because it's very beautiful.
So guys, inside my liver, I like to add a little bit of tomato ketchup, just a little bit, for a little, like a little sweetness, like. And so a little bit of ketchup menace to it, just a little bit also. Yes, and just incorporate everything together and leave it to simmer down for like 5 more minutes, and it's finished. So guys, look, my banana is finished to cook. I just take a fork and I do it like this, and you can see it's finished. So I'm just going to turn off the stove and put it aside until my liver is finished. Okay guys, so my liver is finished.
Guys, look at that. So delicious.
So I'm just going to plate me up some.
Y'all missing out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at all those flavors and everything. Y'all should have some smell visions. Y'all could eat through the floor. And then
just come over here, Kissy. Let me get some green banana. Oh, it break. I didn't want it to break.
there you go, guys.
Delicious. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for all our newest videos to get notified. And also comment what else you want to see us do. Look at this. You guys should really try this at home. And bye guys.